Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make whole wheat biscuits. So this is definitely a healthy version. Come on, let's get started. To a mixing bowl, I'm adding half a cup of powdered jaggery. You can also replace this with brown sugar. For this recipe, I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of choco chips. If you do not want to add choco chips, you can add 3/4 cup of powdered jaggery to adjust the sweetness. And now to this I'm going to add half a cup of room temperature butter. Ensure that the butter is in room temperature. If it is hard, we will not be able to mix it properly. And now using a hand whisk, I'm going to beat both the ingredients well for at least 5 to 8 minutes. You can also use an electric beater if you have. And if you're using an electric beater, it's enough if you beat it for around 2 or 3 minutes. And it might look that it does not combine at the beginning, but keep whisking it. It will combine well. And look at this is the exact consistency that we want. And now to this I'm going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And to a sieve I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 cup of whole wheat flour, which is atta. And I'm going to sift it well so that there are no lumps in the dough that we are going to make. Now mix all the ingredients well. You can also use your hands to make the job easier. Mix it well until it forms like a chapati dough. And now to this I'm adding 1/4 cup of choco chips. Mix it well. And that's it, our cookie dough is now ready. And now let's assemble this on a baking tray and bake it. I have preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Any preferred shape would be fine. And now to a preheated oven, I'm going to keep this inside and cook this for around 25 minutes. And now exactly after 25 minutes, our cookies are ready. Let this come to a room temperature. If we are going to break it directly when it is out of the oven, it would be very soft. So let it come to room temperature. Our healthy cookies are now ready. Let's transfer this to an airtight container. You can store this for around 10 days, but definitely we'll finish this within 1 or 2 days. It's time to taste. It's very crunchy outside and you can see the exact biscuit texture inside this. This would definitely be a treat to everyone. It tastes like butter biscuit. When I bite into the choco chips, it also tastes like cookies. This is very rich, chocolatey and very yummy. Definitely give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.